Mahalo nui loa to KHNO Channel 13 from the Ka'au Crater Boys. We'd like to leave you with this song, originally done by Van Morrison. It goes like this. A little bit chilly before one hour. Hey, where did we go? The day when the rains came down in a hollow, playing a new game, laughing and running, whoa, skipping and jumping in the mist of morning fall. On my heart's thumping you, brown-eyed girl. You're my brown-eyed girl. Whatever happened to Tuesday so slow? Going down the old man transistor radio, standing in the sunlight laughing, hiding hard rainbows waltz, kissing and hugging along the waterfall with you, brown-eyed girl. Well, you're my brown-eyed girl. Do you remember when we used to sing sha la 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 la? Whoa, yeah. Sha la 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 la. So hard to find my way now that I'm on my own. I saw you just the other day. My, how you have grown.